Stretch up high, then bend down low. Feel the calm inside you grow. Every breath a gentle song. This is where our hearts belong. Good morning, yoga, here we go. Moving slow and steady, soft and slow. Every pose a little dream. Stronger, calmer than we've ever been. Balance on our tippy toes. Like a tree, that's how it goes. Reach our arms up to the sun. Yoga time is so much fun. Good morning, yoga, here we go. Moving slow and steady, soft and slow. Every pose a little dream. Stronger, calmer than we've ever been. Rest a while and close our eyes. Underneath the morning skies, feel the peace within our hearts. This is just the perfect start. Good morning, friend, the day's ahead. With calm hearts and stretching legs, yoga brings us joy and light. Ready now to shine so bright.
Two little friends side by side.
Rolling our mats, here we glide.
Morning sun is shining bright.
Time to stretch with all our might.
Hands and knees we arch and bow.
Child and cow, we know it now.
Breathe in slow and breathe out too.
Me and you, we made it through. Yoga time, you and me. Bending, breathing, wild and free. Hand in hand, we balance tall. Best friends forever, having a ball.
Warriors strong, arms open wide.
Feel the courage deep inside.
Tree pose steady, calm and still.
Focus, friend, we've got the skill. Yoga time, you and me. Bending, breathing, wild and free. Hand in hand, we balance tall. Best friends forever, having a ball.
Happy baby, rock and giggle.
Child's pose, rest, just a little wiggle.
Breathe together, calm and slow. This is how good friendships grow. Two little friends having fun.
Yoga time, our day's begun.
See you soon, we'll play some more.
Best friends always, that's for sure. Wake up, open your eyes. The sun is rising in the skies. Roll your mat out on the floor. It's time for yoga, nothing more. Stretch up high, then bend down low. Feel the calm inside you grow. Every breath a gentle song. This is where our hearts belong. Good morning, yoga, here we go. Moving slow and steady, soft and slow. Every pose a little dream. Stronger, calmer than we've ever been. Balance on our tippy toes. Like a tree, that's how it goes. Reach our arms up to the sun. Yoga time is so much fun. Good morning, yoga, here we go. Moving slow and steady, soft and slow. Every pose a little dream. Stronger, calmer than we've ever been. Rest a while and close our eyes. Underneath the morning skies, feel the peace within our hearts. This is just the perfect start. Good morning, friend, the day's ahead. With calm hearts and stretching legs, yoga